Tesla is running, but Nvidia is having a slow day. Price is still in this bullish uptrend that we've been covering for a very long time. We know this because we're continuing to make higher lows. However, we are still in this compression mode, which is indicated by lower highs. You're going to see that each and every single time that Nvidia has bounced, we have pushed back up and not taken out this prior high. That's why last week we were expecting this rejection at the $120 level, which we ended up getting, and we were expecting a pullback down to 108 and 104. We have not seen that pullback yet, but that still could be on the table. At this moment, you're going to notice on the daily BX trender, which is the indicator at the bottom of your screen here, that we are making lower highs. What we want to see is indications like this, where price is making higher lows into higher highs, as well as this move back here, higher lows, which is this light red, into higher highs. This is showing that price is finding a bottom with serious money behind it, and there's a very good chance that we're going to see this move back up to $120. If you guys want to get all of the indicators that you see here and learn how I've been able to make $1.4 million this year using just this strategy, our Elite Traders Playbook, which teaches you all of it, is completely free in the description. You're going to see that Nvidia has to see higher highs on this BX trender confirmed and closed, which the market still has 44 minutes till close as I'm shooting this video. Once we can see that type of push, we should be able to have Nvidia push back to test 120 to $124 before potential rejection. At this moment, I am not in an Nvidia position at all because I don't think that it's worth it to short from here back down to 107. But I personally feel that in the short term, by buying Nvidia around this price level, that I'm not getting a discount. If I'm looking at Nvidia for the past couple of weeks, discount range is buying at 105 to 107, overpriced range would be 125 to 120, and a fair value would be about $113. So at this point, I'm not long on Nvidia. If we pull back to 110, 107, and 105, then I will most likely sell cash secured puts or look to open a long position within that area. Because if we pull back to our discounted zone and we're still in a strong uptrend, which you can see here, dictated by our market bias, then there's a very, very high chance that we're going to bounce off of that support and push up into all-time highs. And as you know, this is exactly what we're expecting for Nvidia. I think that there's a very high chance that we're going to continue to squeeze within this range, that it will take most likely till middle or end of October to make this breakout, and that we will see the move back up to, all-time highs, 150, 160, but that move will most likely not happen within the next couple of weeks. That's just my personal opinion. What could change all of that is if Nvidia takes out that $130 level. If we can come in and make higher highs on price, so take out this old resistance level, that is our clear indication that the uptrend is number one intact, but two, that there is not going to be any more selling pressure. Once 130 is taken out, that is the green light to play the upside. It's the same exact situation that we've been covering on Tesla. We were opening put positions and holding hedges against our longs until this liquidity level of 230 was taken out. Once that liquidity of 230 was taken out, we have removed all of our put positions, and now we're holding our longs all the way up to our target. Now, before we go, let's talk about this potential target and where these levels are going to be. If we look at this weekly chart, you guys know that we love drawing Fibonacci retracements. I actually have a course coming up teaching you guys completely for free how to set up these smart money levels that I draw here each and every single day. But if we take our fib retracement from that swing low up to that swing high, you can see price is pulled into the golden pocket. Where we're going to look for our take profits is by taking our trend-based Fibonacci extension, going from bottom of the Fibonacci to the top of the Fibonacci, and you're going to notice that these are going to be our target areas. So once we actually get the confirmation of a breakout on Nvidia, meaning we take out that $130 level, my upside targets are 140, 150, and then at best case 160 going into the beginning of 2025, Q1, Q2. If you want to learn more about all of the indicators that you see in this video, as well as the proprietary settings and the step-by-step trading system that I've built, you can take all of our courses completely free with the link in the description.